I'm Chris, Managing Director at Oxford Media Factory. This is our 10-year anniversary. In the early days at Oxford Media Factory, it was just me, a camera, some lights, and a willingness to provide the best client experience possible.
The guys at Oxford Media Factory have been hands-on from the start. Thank you so much to Oxford Media Factory.
Skip forward a few years and here we are with an amazing in-house team of very capable experts. 10 years is a huge milestone for Oxford Media Factory, and it's a humbling point to take a moment to reflect upon the fact that I could not have done this alone. Without an amazing team, some amazing clients, and everybody else who's been involved in this journey. So all that leaves me to say is a huge thank you. Please now join us and take Oxford Media Factory into its next 10 years.